If your charger light does not come on, or if after resetting the battery your charger light stays green, you may need to replace your charger. First, we'll start by removing the old charger. Lift the drain hose off of its keeper clip. Adjust the handlebar all the way up. Unscrew the charger plate screw and unwind the power cord. Pull the power cord out of the grommet and remove the power cord from the charger. Pull the charger out of its clip and disconnect the two quick disconnects. Now we'll install the new charger by repeating the same steps in reverse order. Connect the new charger quick disconnects. They will only go in one way, so you can't get them wrong. Slide the charger back into its clip. Replace the power cord and slide it back into the grommet. Make sure to twist the grommet so that the cord won't fall out of the slit opening. Push the wires back into the cavity and wind the cord on the cord wrap. Fasten the charger plate with the thumb screw. Adjust the handlebar to your desired height. Hang up the drain hose. Reach out to Spectrum by phone or website with any questions. 1-800-290-2833. www.mopit.com